How to search for channel on Telegram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to search for channel on Telegram. So in order to look for channel on Telegram, all you have to do is make sure to update your Telegram application and then open up or log into your account. Now all you have to do is just tap the magnifying glass icon on the top right hand side corner of your screen and type a keyword like a subject that interests you or a word or a phrase associated with it in the search box. So let's go with this one, and after that you'll get a list of channels along with a number of subscribers. So you can go ahead and explore the channels as well, and apart from it you can also use the help of Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just type in telegramchannel.me, and this is going to take you to the page where you'll be able to find all sort of channel that does not appear on the application itself. So from here you can go ahead and input the username or the channel name, and there you'll be able to locate the channel. So in this way you can search for channel on Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.